Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with another day for 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Series 11. Today is number 26 out of 31 since it's March. Anywho, so we're 31 days of sketches and we're on day number 26. Today's sketch is by Wendy Gale Rasmussen. It is a single photo sketch and it's got it looks like embellishment clusters going across the page like this. The photo in the center, and then right beside that the title, and then it's got a circle cut out that has journaling across there. So I'm going to do something here. Because this paper that I want to use as my background is so very thin, I opted to pull this for the color that's going to be inside the circle, right? So rather than cut this background paper out to glue it on here because this is so flimsy, I'm going to cut this out and then use this piece of paper as my background. And because I'm doing that, and because I have so many varied colors here, I thought I would pull in some of the scrap pieces that I have in my, I wanted to do it this way, in my stash, that I would put my photo like that and then put it right in the center of the page. I wanted to add that little pop of color to bring in orange, and I'm also going to bring some of this green color in with some of the embellishments. Well, this alphabet font for certain. Let me show you everything that I have pulled in to use this go around. I've pulled in this sticker sheet, and I'm thinking because of that floral bit there, I'm pulled close to my heart. I pulled it in for these arrows, I think. Labels, I pulled in another couple of pieces from that snap. Close to my heart, that is Cosmo Cricket, that is Pink Fresh. These are close to my heart. These are the rub-ons from Pink Paisley, I think. There's two little sheets of those. And then I pulled in the puffy stickers from the Fancy Pants collection that I pulled in, and also these puffy stickers. I guess I can take them out of that cover. These stickers that are oranges and yellows, I pulled in. I didn't have the right color fonts in my kit that I pulled together, so I went to my stash and I pulled out a couple of fonts that would color fonts that would go along. The white and the orange both work, and so we'll see which one that I choose. Plus I have my bowl of embellishments up here, and I can pull different things in if I want to from there. So I have plenty to get me started. So give me a second, I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 26. The products that I did not use were the stars, the puffy stars. These two sheets from Snap Studio by Simple Stories, I did not use those. I did not use any of these labels, and I did not use either of these sticker sheets. I pulled that up and was going to use that, and then it just kind of blended too much into the background and I needed something different. So I chose a different sticker. Now onto what I use. These are the offcuts of the paper that I had pulled in. There's the circle that I cut out of the blue. Then I have the lighter blue and the orange, and then of course that background paper with the dots on it. So that's everything that I have there. Word stickers, I didn't use a word sticker, I used one of the design elements from this sheet. I did use some of the flower rub-ons. You can see, well, you may not be able to see very well, but I have cut out tons of little bits and pieces around here where there were flower stickers, little tiny ones like that one, to put on the layout. These are from Close to My Heart, and I did use these. I used some flowers out of both of those. Here is the set that I took. I had the word Explorer down on the bottom, so it's similar to this one, but it obviously a different word. And then some of these labels I pulled in to use to put my journaling on. I did use this long embellishment piece that went across here. I don't even know where that goes. That was the offcut from what I used. And then these are what I used for finishing touches. These are the 2 alphabets I used for my journaling. And then here is the layout that I created. Oh, and I did use a couple flowers from the embellishment bowl. So this one, I had to get out my larger circle template. And this one is called Circle 1. And it's by Creek Bank Creations. I bought it at a retreat, and just now, I probably bought it 15 years ago, and I just broke that today. I put a little bit of packing tape on it, so hopefully it will hold it together. I don't use that one very often, but it does come in handy. So you can see, I put my title over to the side just like in the sketch. I have the central photo, then I have the floral clusters coming out from the top and the bottom. I use one of the larger stickers here, and I use puffy dots around. I use flat back pearls. There's the extra flowers and then the rub-ons. Here's where I use that band of that sticker color band across there. Here's some little die cut pieces, and I put some little bits of flour. My labels are here. And so my journaling reads woof. It's big out here, scary. And then over here I've got so big, and then I had XOXO, and so I used part of it over here and then part of it over here just to give it that look of how it did on the inspiration page, how it was going off, cut off. You know, the journaling was being cut off. Anywho, I am done with this layout. Another one ready for the album. I will show you close-ups of the clusters at the end of the video if you're interested. Stick around for that. Hopefully I will have my journaling on there by then, because yeah, well. And by the way, when you have color families like this, to pick the orange, the correct color orange, y'all, how many of y'all still have this tool, this color wheel? It's like, oh my goodness, I need to get the right shade of blue. And so I have on here, like my blue is here, and so to get the right shade of orange, I look directly across here, and so I know which color family, either this one or any of them going down this row, to pull in the correct shades of orange. Yeah, who knew I'd still be using this sucker all these years later, but I do. It's one of those tools that in my eyes is invaluable. Anyway, friends, I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you watching my video. I hope you gleaned a little bit of inspiration from it, and you're tackling these sketches day by day, or storing them to use at some later date, because they're fabulous sketches and they really push the creativity. If you are interested in seeing other people's takes on this sketch, head over to Christy's Facebook page. It is Christy's Beautiful Life on Facebook, and you have to answer a question, I think, to join, just to make sure you're not a spammer. I think she approves most everyone. Anywho, yeah, tons of inspiration out there if you're interested. Anyway, guys, I will see you on the next layout. Have a great day. Bye-bye.